Welcome to another how-to video. Legend of a Mushroom, the best skills. Today, our topic is all about the best skills and legend of mushroom. Actually, for me, you just have to rely on the rarity of your skills. As you can see, I'm on level 31 right now, but it takes 2 hours to make my character stronger. I have an old account, but when I compare it to this one is faster than my old ones. All I did was when I have a 30 skill coupon, go to the shop and choose the maximum summon, like 30, because that way you have a chance to get a higher rarity and cheaper to get 35 summons than summoning one by one. After summoning a 30 skill coupon, go to character, and while you are in the character tab, click skills. Click Quick Enhance every time it's available so that even if you do not get more rarity in the skill coupon, at least you'll upgrade your skills until you reach the highest rarity. That's it for today's video. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.